Welcome to episode 3 of Midnight Cooking Diaries with Edoardo Baldi. That's me. Before I go into any explanation, I gotta marinate this piece of meat. It's a beautiful filet, as you can see. And there's a reason why we're doing this. And then I'll explain what we're gonna do exactly. I'm butterflying this beef filet in half so it can cook easier and faster. So what we're gonna do is do a marinade with a little bit of balsamic vinegar, olive oil, salt and pepper. We're gonna put our meat in the marinade and then we're gonna put it right on our little grill. So last night I was watching Masterclass on my phone and it was Thomas Keller, who I really like, great chef. And he talks about meat, different types of meat cuts, this, that. So I was so hungry after I watched that show that I decided to do my own meat today. And like you see here, we're cooking a beef fillet, which is almost ready because I like my meat medium rare or kind of rare. And we're gonna make an Americanized, Italianized meat taco, beef taco. So follow me on this one. It's gonna be so simple to make. We use a little Breville grill, which is amazing to have. Anyone can have. You can make eggs, sandwiches, fish, meat, anything on it. It's quite amazing. And we're gonna make some delicious tacos. We might get some Mexican people upset today because I asked my Mexican friends if I can put cheese on my taco and they said, I've never heard such a thing. But we're gonna do a little bit of modification. I hope you enjoy it and follow me with this recipe. Very easy, simple, and really healthy. Okay, so our meat is ready. We're gonna let it sit, as you should always with meat, so the moisture stays inside and has a chance to just settle around the meat. Now, I don't know if you remember, but we made sun-dried tomatoes. And the way you make sun-dried tomatoes, you gotta take the inside of the tomato out, all the seeds and like the pulp. That way they have a chance to really dry well. And the moisture from inside is out already, so it doesn't make them watery. Now, my grandma taught me one thing that was so valuable that took me a very long time to understand and to perfect, which was you don't throw anything away. So we're gonna do something that we should have done, and I should have showed you on episode 1, but I didn't. But follow me on it now. Is we're gonna gut the Roma's tomatoes and use the juice and the pulp that's inside the tomato to make our salsa for our meat tacos. So we're gonna cut our tomatoes. We're gonna take the pulp. What we're gonna do now is take a little bit of cilantro. Now we have some lime. Some olive oil. Some pepper. And you want to make this salty and peppery, okay? So we're mixing this beautiful salsa. Look how vibrant and fresh this is. We used some ingredients that we would otherwise throw away. And you can put this on fish, on meat, as we're gonna do. Eat it with chips, on a plain tortilla. It's a beautiful snack and quick and perfect for midnight or any other time of the day. We're gonna put our tortillas to be warmed and toasted on the same grill that we use to cook the meat. Our tortillas are ready. They're toasted, hot, caliente. So now we have the warm tortilla. We're gonna cut our meat. And look how delicious this meat is. It's exactly how I like it. Medium rare. A little bit cooked on the edges, a little bit pink, and then rare inside. It's beautiful, it's perfect. I'm gonna cut it into strips, like this, and then cut it again into little cubes. That way, every bite, you taste a little bit of everything. and we're gonna make 2 tacos. One for me and one for the camera crew. Now, what I love about these is that every bite you taste a little bit of everything. I could have done it differently and cut a slice of avocado, sprinkled a little bit of cilantro, but this way everything is already mixed. So you get, in every bite, you get a little bit of every single flavor of the taco. And now I'm gonna do what most people wouldn't do, which is add a little bit of smoked mozzarella to my taco. And it just gives it a very mild, smoky flavor without really tasting the cheese. And there you have it. Beautiful beef tacos. Fresh, genuinely made, so quick that, as you can see, anyone can make, and just healthy and delicious. Now I'm gonna try it because I have to try it. The beef fillet is so soft, and I can taste very lightly the smokiness of the mozzarella, but I can't taste the cheese. I can taste the avocado, I can taste the cilantro, the tomato. This is a perfect taco. Maybe all it's missing is a little bit more of sea salt, and we're in business. Thank you for joining me on episode 3. I look forward to seeing you again, episode 4 of Midnight Cooking Diaries. Grazie, buon appetito.